Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. I am presenting you the solutions of JEE Advanced 2019. This is question of matrix match type from paper 2. This question is from the topic circles, also includes the concept on straight line, parabola, common tangent and many more. Let us see what this question is. Let the circle C1 x square plus y square equal to 9 and C2 x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 16 intersect at the points x and y. Suppose another circle C3 x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square satisfies the following conditions: that center of C3 is collinear with the centers of C1 and C2. C1 and C2 both lies inside C3 and C3 touches C1 at M and C2 at N. And then we are given that line through x and y intersect circle C3 at Z and W, and let a common tangent of C1 and C3 be a tangent to parabola x square equal to 8 alpha y. And then we are given list 1 with some expressions and list 2 with possible answers. We have to find correct combinations and incorrect combinations as given in the question number 17 and 18. So let us start solving this question. We are given circle C1 and C2 with centers at origin and 3, 4 with radius 3 and 4. I am calling these centers of C1 as O1 and circle C2 as O2. Now center of C3 lies on the line joining O1 and O2. Also this C1 contains both circles C1 and C2, so C3 should be a bigger circle. And C3 touches C1 at M and C2 at N. So this C3 should be looking like this only. Now we have to find expression 2h plus k in first part, and this h comma k is the center of this circle C3. I am calling C as its center, which is lying on the line joining O1 and O2. Now one very important thing, because C1 and C3 are touching each other at point M, so at M, line joining M to center of C1 and line joining M to center of C3, they should be same, which means M, O1 and C should be collinear. But also O1 and O2 are having C on this line, which means M, O1, C, O2. They all should be collinear. And similarly, we can say about N also. So these 5 points starting with M, O1, C, O2 and N, they will be collinear. Now to find H comma K, I will first try to find this length Mn. Okay, and this Mn I am breaking into 3 parts. One is M, O1, then O1, O2, and then O2, ON, O2N. This MO1 is nothing but radius of smaller circle, so it will be 3. O1, O2 can be found by distance formula. My O1 is at origin and O2 is at 3, 4. So using distance formula, we get this to be 5. And then O2N, which is the radius of circle C2, which is 4. So this comes out to be 12. Okay, now Mn is 12. That means diameter of C3 will be equal to 12. Its radius will be 6. So we can say that distance of C to M or C to N, they both should be equal to 6. In fact, because CM is 6 and this line also passing through the center of C1 and diameter of this circle C1 is 6. So this C should actually lie on this circle only. So C should be actually lying here only. Okay, now to find coordinate of C, let us try to find distance O1C. Okay, and O1C is nothing but 3 only, because this C is lying on this circle C1. So O1C will be 3, and this O2C we can find by doing O1O2 minus O1C, and this will be 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. Okay, so we can say that this C divides O1 O2 in the ratio 3:2 internally. Okay, so this coordinate of C, that is H comma K, can be found directly by use of section formula. 3 from this O1 and 2 from O2. So 3 into 3, 9 plus 0 upon 5, comma 3 into 4 plus 0. So 12 upon 3 plus 2, that is 5. So that will be the coordinates of h comma k. Now h is 9 by 5 and k is 12 by 5. So this 2h plus k can be found easily, and I think it comes out to be 30 upon 5, that is 6. Okay, so our answer of first part should be 6. 2h plus k should be equal to 6. Okay, now coming to second part, that is length zw upon xy. Let us first understand what is zw. Actually, line passing through xy intersect circle C3 at z and w. So this diagram should be looking like this. And we have to find zw upon xy. To find this, I am going to use the concept of power of a point with respect to a circle. Now this zw upon xy can be written as 2 times zp upon 2 times xp, because p lies on the line joining their centers. So this pz is equal to pw and px equal to py. So we can write like this, 2 will get cancelled, and now I'm going to write this zp as under root of zp into pw upon under root of xp into py. Okay, now these expression in the numerator and denominator inside under root, they represent the powers of p with respect to circle C3 and with respect to circle C1. Okay, and hence they can also be written as under root of that numerator part I am writing as pm into pn upon under root of this I am writing as pm into pc. So pm will get cancelled and we will be having just under root of pn upon pc. Okay, so this we need to find to get this ratio zw upon xy. Now to find the ratio pn upon pc, I am going to use the fact that p lies on the radical axis of circle c1 and c2, which means product pm into pc will be equal to product pd into pn, and this pm into pc can be written as this pc can be written as 6 minus pm, because m to c length is 6 diameter of circle c1 equal to pd I can write as 8 minus pn into pn, because this diameter of c2 is 8, so this pd is 8 minus pn. And also we have pm plus pn to be equal to 12, which is the diameter of circle c3. So if I write pm in terms of pn using this, we will be getting here 12 minus pn into, here I can write 6 minus 12 minus pn, so this will become pn minus 6 equal to 8 pn minus pn square. Okay, now we can open, if we can multiply these brackets, we will get 12 pn minus 72 minus pn square plus 6 pn, and this will be equal to 8 pn minus pn square. Okay, this pn square gets cancelled, and on the left hand side we will be having 12 plus 6 minus 8, that is 10 pn is equal to 72. So this gives us pn length to be equal to 7.2. Okay, now using this pn we can write pm length to be equal to 12 minus pn, that means 4.8, and we need pc. This pc is equal to 6 minus pm, so this will be coming out to be 1.2. So I think I need this pn and this 1.2 pc length. So from this equation 2 we get this zw upon xy to be equal to root over 7.2 upon 1.2, that is root 6. So answer for this second part should be root 6. Okay, so this should be connected to q. Now coming to area mzn upon area ZMW. So to find the ratio of this triangle, we can write area of triangle in the numerator as 1 upon 2 into base, which is MN, into its height, which is ZP, upon area of the triangle in the denominator. I can take its base as ZW and height as PM. Now this ZW length is 2 times ZP. So we can cancel this ZP and ZW and we can write 2 in the denominator. So this becomes equal to MN upon 2 times PM. This MN we have found in previous parts 12, and PM also we have found in the previous part, that was 4.8. So this after calculation comes out to be 5 by 4. So for this third part, answer is 5 by 4. So this third part will be connected with R. Now fourth part, the value of alpha. To find this alpha, let us first understand what is the alpha. In the question they have given equation of parabola x square is equal to 8 alpha y, and we are given that common tangent of C1 and C3 is also tangent of this parabola. In that scenario we have to find the value of alpha. So to find this alpha, let us first try to find the common tangent T of C1 and C3. And to find this, we can use this result s minus s dash is equal to 0, where s is x square plus y square equal to 9, and s dash is x minus 9 by 5 whole square plus y minus 12 by 5 whole square is equal to 36. We have already found the center of circle C3, 9 by 5, 12 by 5, and radius is 6. So if we take the difference of these two equations, we will get 18x upon 5 plus 24y upon 5, and all the constants I am taking on the right hand side. Here 81 plus 144, which is 225 upon 25, so 9 going on the right hand side of this s dash, make it 27, and if we subtract it from 9, we will get minus 18 on the right hand side. Okay, now to find condition for this T to be tangent of parabola also, let me remind you one important result, that for this parabola x square is equal to 4ay. If x is equal to my plus c is a tangent, then c should be equal to a upon m. This is one very important result which we remember and we use very frequently in these questions. Okay, so for this one, we can check this a will be actually equal to 2 alpha. And to get the values of m and c, let us write this x in this form. So this will become minus of 24 upon 18, which means minus 4 upon 3 into y. And here it will become minus 5. Okay, so here m is equal to minus 4 upon 3 and c is equal to minus 5. So if I use this c is equal to a by m, I will get minus 5 equal to 2 alpha upon minus 4 upon 3. So the value of alpha comes out to be 10 upon 3 after the calculation. Okay, so the answer for this alpha should be 10 by 3. So this is how all these 1, 2, 3, 4 are matched with the list 2. Okay, now let us see what options are given in the questions followed by this matrix match. In this question number 17, they have given 1 matched with S. I think this is wrong because 1 is matched with P, 1 matched with U is also wrong, 2 matched with Q is definitely correct, and 2 matched with T is also wrong. So for 17, answer is C. Now for 18, they are asking which of the following is incorrect combination. So we have already seen 1 was matched with P, 4 was matched with U, 3 was matched with R, and 4 is not matched with S. So this is the only incorrect combination. So for 17, answer is C, and for 18, answer is B. Okay, so this completes the solution of my question. I hope you like this solution. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more questions. Bye.